So, how does a product or service messaging on a page process work? Great question. So, how we work is we sit down together with you and your team and everyone else you want involved, and we discuss all aspects and attributions and all of the benefits and all the features of your particular product or service. So, when we sit down and we run those workshops, I pull out all of those key messages, those ideas, those customer profiles. And then what I do is I go away and put together a product and service messaging framework together for you. In that document, it covers all of the aspects of what you need to sell and market that product or service. So that way, you and your team, your sales team, your customer service team, have the guidelines and the development framework that you need to sell that product or service really well. So if you want to make your product or service customer relevant and in demand, then you've come to the right people. I can help you with my team put that product or service communication and messaging framework together so that you can sell like it deserves to be. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'm happy to chat about your product or service.